Welcome to SHIVELUCH Volcano, Russia's fiery giant. Located in the far northeast on the Kamchatka Peninsula, SHIVELUCH stands as one of Earth's most active volcanoes and the largest in this region. It is located in Russia and is part of the Kamchatka volcanic group. They are a chain of volcanoes born from tectonic subduction along the Pacific Ring of Fire. In northern Kamchatka frozen wilderness, this volcano dominates a landscape of snow, ash, and steam. SHIVELUCH is a classic stratovolcano built from layers of hardened lava, ash, and volcanic rocks. It has two major parts: Old SHIVELUCH, the vast ancient cone crowned by a caldera, and Young SHIVELUCH, a smaller but fiercely active dome that continues to grow within it. SHIVELUCH has been erupting continuously since 1999. Its current eruption forms a thick lava dome where viscous magma slowly piles up in the crater, glowing through cracks and releasing constant plumes of gas and steam. As the dome grows, it becomes unstable and collapses, sending deadly pyroclastic flows rushing down the slopes, superheated clouds of gas, ash, and rocks moving faster than a jetliner. Explosions hurl ash tens of kilometers into the sky, threatening aircrafts and blanketing distant towns. Throughout history, SHIVELUCH has unleashed massive eruptions, most notably in 1854 and 1964. The 1964 event caused part of the dome to collapse, producing vast pyroclastic deposits that still mark the terrain today. SHIVELUCH has recorded 42 eruptions in the Common Era. From the table, you can see the amount of events for each VEI, 1 to 5, where VEI 3 having the most events at 18. While the simple mean VEI is about 3.1, this underestimates its true power since the VEI scale is logarithmic. Each level represents roughly 10 times more erupted material. Using a volume-weighted method, which accounts for the huge impact of major eruptions, SHIVELUCH average explosive power is closer to VEI 4.15, which is a much more accurate reflection of its long-term hazard potential. Let's dive into the deadliest score for SHIVELUCH volcano, which is calculated at 50.5 out of 100. This score is a weighted average of three key dimensions. First, hazard severity, which carries a 40% weightage and scores a very high point of 85. This is because SHIVELUCH is very active and prone to deadly dome collapse pyroclastic flows. Its history is also dominated by large eruptions. However, this high inherent danger is balanced by the exposure score, which is weighted at 30% with a low score of 15 points. This is due to the low population in the surrounding area and also the limited economic assets at risk. Finally, the detection and monitoring score with a weightage of 30% is moderated at 40 points. This is due to its mixed situation where it benefits from advanced monitoring systems, but its poor infrastructure severely limits emergency response capabilities. Moving on to unpredictability, SHIVELUCH scores 70 out of 100. This score is determined by balancing two opposing forces, as you can see in the table. On one hand, the intrinsic complexity of the volcano increases the score. This is due to its sudden lava dome collapses, a complex and vicious magma system, and a highly variable eruption size ranging from small ash plumes to massive explosions. On the other hand, modern monitoring capabilities help to lower the score. SHIVELUCH is under continuous surveillance by organizations like KVERT and VAAC using satellites and ground sensors. Overall, the volcano is unpredictable in its timing and scale, but it can be monitored for elevated risk. To conclude, it is a formidable card, one that wins through raw modern volcanic energy. SHIVELUCH embodies the raw power of our planet and a daily reminder that Earth's surface is alive and ever-changing. Thank you.